Good morning, everybody. This is no hair video. This is just a quick video on the stuff that I eat in the morning. I've been drinking this for about like 3 months straight now, and everybody always asks me like, what do I do to get my booty? So I'm gonna show you a little secret on what I drink in the morning. It is so good too. Okay, so start off with my frozen bananas. Okay, so some people don't like to freeze their bananas, and some people do. I just prefer mine frozen, so I freeze them the night before, and in the morning they can be nice and fresh and frozen. And then next, I got some of this little sugar pack from Walmart. They usually come, you know how you usually get the honey that's in the bottle or whatever. I hate doing that because my honey always took forever to come down. So I was like, forget that. And I found these at Walmart for about $2 or $3. They work like a charm. Okay, let me tell you, they work like a charm. Next, I got my oatmeal. I stick that in there. I put the whole thing in there. Funny fact about me, I cannot eat oatmeal warm, but I can eat it in there. I'm so weird. I got my silk almond milk. Some people will use soy milk, but I like to use that one. And then next, we got our Greek yogurt. You have to use Greek vanilla yogurt. I use regular yogurt, and it was so nasty and so disgusting. I'm like, wait, what is this? This ain't it, boo. So I use a good big 1 scoop of that, maybe 2 sometimes, or maybe 3. I don't know, just depending. But yogurt is really good for you, so you can't go wrong with yogurt. And then next, we got our Jiffy peanut butter. Okay, look at that, Jiffy peanut butter, honey. So we definitely got to get that. So you use just 1 scoop of that. Or did I use 2? Sometimes I use between 2 and 1, but that's what really gonna build up that muscle and that booty back there when you get that peanut butter. So after all that is mixed up, I used my little blender that I got from Walmart for about $15. And it works like a charm. It works like a charm. Maybe one day I'll get a bullet, but this would definitely do for now. So we just blend that all up, make sure it's nice and creamy the way you like it. It won't be all runny and stuff like that. Now, you will see me in here in this clip add a little bit more milk in here because it was a little bit too thick, and that's going to be coming up shortly. So yeah, so like I was telling you, it came out a little bit too thick for me. So I am going to add just a tad bit more milk in there, just to, you know what I'm saying, try to, you know, kind of loosen it up a little bit. Because you can't drink it too thick now. We like it thick, but not too thick. This is a little stuff that I end up picking up at Walmart. I really like it. I wish I wasn't what's that, tolerance, LOSA tolerance, whatever it is, when you can't really drink milk because you mess up your stomach. But I found a really nice cool protein powder at Target. I'll show you guys, like if this video do good and you guys want to see more about booties and stuff like that, and like what to drink and stuff, I'll probably show that in there. But there go me. Hey bitch, hi girl. Rough warning, huh? You know, them Zoom gonna get you tired. So now we get to check our shake, and we're gonna see how thick and consistent and creamy and stuff it is. So go ahead and take a peek at that. Oh yeah, period, baby, that's what we want. Take a sip of that. Good, right? Good. So yes, you guys, thank y'all so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.